Have you ever been filming on your iPhone and then you play back the footage afterwards and the audio is just like... Can't hear a stinking thing because of the darn wind? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 simple audio tips that will really help your audio sound a lot better when you're filming outside. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with Matt's Media. Now, tip number 1 is just avoid windy situations if you can. Super simple. If it's windy, don't shoot outside. Get into a sheltered area, okay? Like under some trees. If you could put a building between the wind and the phone, get in a sheltered area, but avoid shooting when it's windy if you can. Tip number 2 is to substitute with sound effects, okay? So when you're editing your video, you just lower the volume of the live audio from your iPhone and then add in sound effects. This won't be the greatest if you have dialogue, but if you're just shooting videos and there's not a whole lot of dialogue, this will really work. There's a couple places online you can get sound effects to use. Free option is freesfx.com, obviously not sponsored. You search what sound effect you want, you download it for free completely, you can use it anywhere, and then you just drop that into your timeline and Bob's your uncle. You search for sound effects that kind of match the situation that you were filming in, and that can just really help keep the wind noise down and still hear something. Oh my goodness. Tip number 3, and this is kind of just another option, and that's just to purchase a small, inexpensive wireless mic for your iPhone. Yeah, they do make them. They're super cheap. They start at like 20 or 30 bucks on Amazon, 50 bucks if you want 2 of them. I personally have not used these mics, so if you'd like a video, let me know in the comments. Some of them come with dead cats, otherwise known as wind muffs, so those will be super helpful to use when filming outside on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. If you didn't enjoy it, then don't subscribe. Maybe check out this next video over here.